9. The UCC-1 Financing Statement as a public notice tool. Most people think the UCC-1 is just paperwork, but it's actually your most powerful legal tool to declare standing, claim interest, and assert control in the commercial world. In this video, we uncover how the UCC-1 Financing Statement functions as a public notice tool that separates creditors from debtors. The UCC-1 Financing Statement is not a contract, but a legal declaration of a secured interest in property. When filed with the appropriate Secretary of State, it serves as a public notice that the filer claims a superior interest in specified collateral, often identified as the legal name, birth certificate estate, or property registered under the strawman. This filing does not establish the claim, but rather perfects and records it, making it enforceable in law. The UCC-1 is accompanied by a security agreement and authenticated signatures that demonstrate the terms of the relationship. In essence, this process operates like a lien or mortgage, except that the secured party is the individual asserting control over their legal person and estate. Filing the UCC-1 shifts the presumption of ownership and control from the state or other parties to the individual, granting the filer lawful standing to assert and defend their interests privately and administratively. Footnote: this section details the use of the UCC-1 Financing Statement as a lawful tool of public notice for asserting secured interest over the legal person and property estate.